From cybersecurity to digital twins and supercomputers to Metaverse, 2023 was not only about generative AI. The year was packed full of technologies that will redefine the future of corporates and our lives. I did the effort and put all of the most relevant technologies that made news this year. Let's jump into a time capsule and revisit the top 10 tech trends. First up, we've got RPA, or Robotic Process Automation. Think of it as your digital assistant taking care of all those repetitive tasks at work. It's like having a robot colleague who never gets tired. And UiPath was recognized as a leader in RPA with the highest rating in categories such as Strategy and RPA Market Presence in the Forrester Wave report for Q1 2023. ServiceNow is complementing current RPA features with the broader set of automation tools. Therefore, it becomes a valid choice among automation leaders. It's changing the way we work. It's not just about speed, it's about making our work lives a bit easier. I never believed in RPA too much, but I must admit that it is a valid technology for supporting digital transformation, especially in combining with generative AI and the ability of even better understand data and user interfaces. So keep an eye on this in 2024, it's only going to get smarter. Next, let's dive into the Metaverse. It's like stepping into your favorite science fiction movie. Big names like Facebook and Microsoft are pouring billions into making these virtual worlds. But it's not all smooth sailing. There is a lot of debate about its future. This year, the World Economic Forum highlighted it as one of the most read technology topics. Clearly, the industry and public are hooked. But as with any emerging tech, opinions are divided. At the Game Developers Conference in 2023, the survey revealed a wave of skepticism among developers about this virtual world. Yes, the creators who could shape the metaverse are questioning its value. And then there is Mark Zuckerberg. As the head of Meta, he's betting big on the metaverse, putting millions of dollars into it every month. But let's look at the numbers. In the first 9 months of 2023, Meta's Reality Labs, their augmented and virtual reality division, reported an eye-watering operating loss of more than $11 billion. However, the technology is very promising and the possibilities are endless, but we've got to see if the investments pay off. Digital twins are up next. These are virtual models of real-life processes or things, super handy in industries like manufacturing. It's like having a clone of a machine that you can experiment with digitally. The market expected to grow to $15 billion by 2023. Leading players here are Siemens, Bosch, General Electric, Microsoft, Oracle, Emerson, Rockwell Automation, ABB, etc. In 2023, this trend took off and it's going to keep growing. Why? Because it's changing how industries operate, making things more efficient and a lot cooler. And technological innovations like 5G, artificial intelligence and machine learning will facilitate the development of more advanced digital twins. Now let's talk artificial intelligence. This year we've seen AI doing some incredible things, but there is also a bit of worry about how we use it responsibly. The concerns about the technology grow at least as fast as the number of practical use cases and applications. The European Union has taken a proactive step by initiating the EU AI Act. It's about governing the use of artificial intelligence, particularly when it comes to analyzing and adopting personal data. Keep an eye on artificial intelligence, especially with the new regulations coming up. It's going to be a game changer in so many fields. Internet of Things, or IoT, is next. It's all about connecting devices to the internet, from your fridge to your car. The more we connect, the smarter our world gets. It's not just about gadgets, it's about creating more connected and efficient world. And with 5G on the rise, things are about to get even faster. Analysts have predicted that the usage of the IoT devices will further grow. The number of connected IoT devices expected to reach 14.4 billion in 2023 and potentially increase to $27 billion by 2025. Quantum computing is where things get really science fiction. It's computing but at a mind-blowing small scale, using the principles of quantum mechanics. This is a big deal because it's solving problems that traditional computers can't. From medicine to finance, quantum computing is opening new doors. In 2023, the variety of quantum computer types continue to expand. Superconducting, photonic, neutral atoms, trapped ions, and quantum dots, each of them has unique characteristics and potential applications. According to an IBM computing executive, quantum computers are entering the utility phase. Here they become useful in solving real-world problems. XR, or extended reality, is all about blending the virtual and real worlds. It's not just for gaming, it's also transforming how we learn and work. As tech gets more immersive, XR is becoming a bigger part of our lives. And when you mix it with AI, things get really interesting. In 2023, the Consumer Electronics Show featured plenty of XR-related news, including the unveiling of the Vive XR Elite and new augmented reality and virtual reality technologies. And of course, artificial intelligence starts playing here also a pivotal role. The integration of AI and XR technologies become a significant focus in various industries. Also in developing new 3D models and objects become more democratized. Edge computing is up next. It's like having a mini data center right where you need it. This means faster processing and less waiting around for data to travel back and forth. Why is this a big deal? Because it's making technology quicker and more reliable, especially in remote areas. It's a real game changer. In 2023, new partnerships have been established. US-based provider Vapor.io expanded into Europe via partnership with Telnex. Microsoft announced an investment in new cloud data center in Saudi Arabia, and Mobily announced a partnership with Tencent Cloud. And much more. So new possibilities and options for the customers and users will have a positive effect. In general, experts understand edge computing as a catalyst for innovations, as indicated by a research report on edge computing innovations. Combined with 5G, IoT and AI, it will revolutionize the digital landscape. Cybersecurity has never been more important. As our world gets more connected, keeping our digital lives safe becomes a bigger challenge. From big companies to our personal devices, cybersecurity is something we all need to take seriously. Expect more innovations and bigger focus on this in 2024. As of 2023, the main targeted root causes and attack vectors are misconfigured databases or security systems, credential stuffing attacks, and explosion of software vulnerabilities. If you are looking for a comprehensive list of all relevant and known breaches, you will find it in our blog I referred in the description to this video. Last but not least, 5G. It's the next step in mobile internet, and it's going to make everything faster and more connected, from streaming to smart cities. 5G is more than just speed, it's about enabling technologies we've only dreamed of. Vodafone unveiled a low-cost Open RAN compatible 5G network in a box. It uses a software-defined radio chipset and a Raspberry Pi 4 personal computer. This product aims to create more flexible and cost-effective network solutions. And Huawei announced plans to manufacture 1 billion 5G devices per year for European markets in new factory in France. The company expects to create 300 direct jobs and start manufacturing equipment in 2025. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 tech trends in 2023. It's been an incredible year, and 2024 looks even more promising. And what trends are you excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more technology trends. See you in the next video.